There is a video which is widely circulating on social media. Legal and Parliamentary Affairs Minister, Comrade Ziyambi, they are celebrating the Constitutional Amendment Bill, it is passed the National Assembly. Pangwa the bill it is now going to Senate. Kona consumer critics, wherever argue that this minister yes, it is passed, but Pangwa it is passed after you have bribed by legislators. It is passed after you did not listen to the voice of the people. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. The news also posted the video of Keep 3 parliamentary vote reactions. The passage of Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3, Kept 3, in Zimbabwe's National Assembly, with a sweeping 216 to 42 vote. 2 days ago, yes, further deeply polarized the nation, sparking some sharp contrast between government celebrations of institutional continuity and fierce condemnation of a constitutional coup from opposition and civic groups. In this video, Justice Minister leads celebrations of the way Cap 3 has passed the National Assembly to Senate with an overwhelming majority. No opposed. The news house Pangwa and a prince to Ziyambi should stop celebrating bribery. HMP who votes yes was given 30,000. 10,000 was paid as deposit before voting. 20,000 was given after voting in Parliament's room. 435. Cap 3 didn't pass because it's left in Parliament. The people will stop this. Doma developments in my warnings are rupiwa. Change Ziyambi, they must stop what they are doing. People don't want this. It was just voted for. It just passed the National Assembly just because you bribed the legislators. Doma developments are put up on going in a comment section. Menus of any more to dip on the subscribe or like on the bell icon.